Hi, I'm Michael Hedrick, and I'm here to talk to you today about becoming a paperless office. In today's competitive business world, every business needs an edge in order to survive, and that edge can be gained by simply become a paperless office. We'll look at a few things today, like why we should become paperless, and the challenges that a company must face when they try to become paperless. And becoming a paperless office also means that we'll be able to reduce the expenses associated with papers, and the office will operate more efficiently, and will have less of an impact on the environment. And we'll look at again how we'll be able to achieve this goal. So a paperless office. Almost every company in the world would like to become greener, but it's no simple task to achieve because of legal aspects, affiliations with other companies, and the basic human habit. Some of the legal aspects you look at it, many legal documents require a physical signature on papers, and some companies that your business is associated with requires that interaction with paper, and we'll look at some of the ways we can get around that. And of course, there's always a human habit. Looking at some statistics, it shows the average office worker uses approximately 10,000 sheets of paper annually, and that equals out to be a big stack of a ream of paper that almost as tall as the office worker itself. And the cost of using paper can be actually 30 times that of the actual cost of purchasing that paper when you factor in the cost of printing, copying, storage, postal, disposal of the paper, recycling. So with all those factors added into that, it can equal up to be almost sometimes over 30 times the cost of the actual paper. So not only is the cost of the paper expensive, but it's also inefficient and environmentally unfriendly. Paperless matters. The economical state of our economy today demands that businesses find ways to reduce operational expenses in order to survive. The use of paper in the workplace generates unnecessary expenses and increases environmental damages. Paper use in the workplace benefits the paper company, recycling companies, and waste companies, but not the business in which you work for. So reducing or eliminate the use of paper in the workplace will decrease the amount of labor that would have been spent on making copies, filing documents, or maintaining paper inventory levels, or anything associated with that. And one of the examples I pulled off of the website here is estimated cost of to basically fill a 4-drawer filing cabinet. It was approximately $26,000, and that's including materials, the labor, storage, and anything else associated with that. It's a pretty good eye-opener there. Well, becoming a paperless office. One thing that will need to be done is breaking habits among workers, such as like printing habits. Printing an email that has only one sentence, for example, or making copies of things that just isn't necessary, or using double-sided copy options or printer options. It also reduce the amount of paper that your office uses. Another method you could use is research the many different options you have available to you to become a paperless office. You basically just have to go through and find which one actually works and suits your business needs. Another way to help achieve this goal is to lobby lawmakers to alter laws that allow us to use electronic documents and electronic signatures. You'll need to provide training to employees so they can reduce the amount of paper they use. Another method they could use is perhaps, instead of throwing a piece of paper away in the recycling bin, they could cut it up and use it as a notepad. Also, again, doing the double-sided prints, or in some instances you can even use the where you double up 2 pieces of paper on one side, and then you can also use the other side too, so you have 4 pieces of paper on one, essentially. You can also requisition your purchasing department to invest in electronic backup solutions, scanners, and document sharing software. And you request the affiliations of your business to become paperless and share that information on how you were able to accomplish the goal, and they can help out with that as well. The benefits of becoming paperless: employees will spend less time waiting on copies, mailing documents, filing papers, and printing. The company will be able to celebrate its accomplishment of going green, which could result in increased business. Operational expenses will decrease, which will make the company more profitable and should allow for increased employee benefits and wages. And the company will become more efficient and more environmentally friendly. Your paperless achievement. Again, to do this, what you need to do is write letters to your lawmakers and state officials, urging them to alter existing laws to allow for electronic documents and signatures. Urge affiliated businesses to become a paperless office too. Educate coworkers in paper reduction methods when elimination is simply not possible. And update your office with backup systems and scanners and document sharing software. And share what you've done with your customers and affiliated businesses. In conclusion, in this presentation we discussed the reasons and importance behind becoming a paperless office, such as becoming green, reducing expenses, and eliminating waste. We also discussed how to find methods of becoming paperless and offered a few examples on how to reduce paper consumption when elimination was not possible. We looked at the benefits of becoming paperless, like increased profit and more benefits for the employees. We also discussed how this goal can be achieved by communicating with lawmakers and affiliated businesses. And becoming a paperless company could be the key to making your company a success. Thank you. Have a good day.